Yo, what is up, what is up, what is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Friday night ride with Mr. Sarap Vlogs. Hindi ko alam kung may iba pang pupunta, pero meron kasing ride yung mga galing Cali pupunta rito, mga scooter rides. Actually maraming mga 2-stroke, mga Dio, pero ngayon sama tayo sa kanila. Tingnan natin kung saan pupunta. So sama natin si Mr. Sarap. Medyo malayo yung meet up place dito sa amin, nasa bandang south side. So meet up is 8 o'clock, time check 7:24. So mukhang freeway gaming na kami nito. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mga motor na nandun mamaya. Tagal-tagal din tayo hindi nakapag-ride, or at least nakapag-Vespa. So far dalawa lang kami ni Mr. Sarap kasi may mga inaasikaso ang ating mga kaibigan na importante. So short gaming si Mr. Sarap Vlogs. Okay din kasi mainit nga. Kita-kits na lang tayo doon guys sa meetup place. Nandun din yung mga ibang kasama natin sa rally noon, yung naka-jet ski. Alam ko pupunta rin sila, so kita-kits na tayo. Let's go! Yo yo yo! Yun! Putang ina, freeway gaming! Freeway gaming! Boss! Bossing!
Kumusta ang buhay?
Kumusta ang buhay? Nakalabas na naman tayo, bossing! Ay, Mustang ha, ulul. Tangina ka.
Una ka na, boss.
Chill ride lang kami, boss.
Ride lang na may konting inahabol ng oras.
Abot dyan. Yun.
Uy,
Puta ka. Boss. Bossing, antulin mo.
Sorry naman.
Kami ano lang, chill ride lang. Time check 7:32. Abot.
Oras na sa'yo?
7:32. Ano oras na ba dyan?
7:10.
Namatay baterya yan eh.
Kaya pala, late ako lagi.
Naka-Scoot Papi jersey si Mr. Sarap. Shout out Scoot Papi. Pampanga, di ba? Pampanga.
Yes, sa Sindalan.
Shout out.
Malulupit na Vespa sa Pampanga.
Isa pa.
Punta dyan.
Dito ka kapila. Yan.
Lalagay ko sa task lane to pag ako nainip. Ate. Nervous si ate.
Sasagad tayo pagka lumampas tayo dyan sa ano eh. Wala na tayo dyan. Okay na dito.
Dito na tayo, drafting.
Oo.
Nainit today ah.
Sakto yung shorts gaming mo today.
Yes. Pagka gusto yun ng aircon guys.
Yan. Buksan mo. Pagka medyo malamig ng konti. Yan. Hindi pwede sa babae yan.
Oo, hindi pwede.
Pwede.
Ay, magsasara na naman yung freeway.
Oo nga pala. Putang ina.
Kailangan agahan bukas.
Oo nga.
Maaga naman pala ako bukas talaga.
Oo nga, magsasara. 9 to hanggang Monday na ng umaga.
Lagi na lang nilang sinasara.
Southbound naman ngayon, southbound.
Shout out sa mga viewers ni Omar TV na viewers ko din.
Yun. Antayin nyo lang yung vlog ni Mr. Sarap.
Pasensya na, meron lang tayong inaasikaso. Hindi tayo makapag-photo vlog.
Pero meron niya, abangan nyo lang.
Meron. Sa inyo lang.
Sige dito, pasok sa.
Sarap.
Ngayon pa lang gabi masasara, no? 9 PM Friday.
Sakto tayo mga kadaan.
Sakto.
Nandito ba si Tosi?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko natatanong.
Si ano, alam ko busy nagpe-prep sa SEMA eh.
Sino?
Sila, tropa niya sila Rowie.
Oo, SEMA prep na. Isang buwan na lang.
Hindi ko alam kung
Isang buwan na lang.
prep din si Tosi.
Isang buwan na lang guys, SEMA na. Busy na naman kami. SEMA na, F1 pa. Ay.
Magkasunod.
Yes sir. Okay, kita-kits tayo dun sa meet up place. Let's go. Yun lang guys, gas tayo pero wala tayong wallet. Buti na lang kasama natin si Mr. Sarap Vlog. Buta, naiwan ko pala yung wallet ko. Hey, nako. Diba lisensya okay lang yan. May alam naman natin yung ating driver's license number. Uy, konting-konti. Thank you.
Yes sir.
So kasi Kuya Jody pupunta rin. Sabi niya, see you there. Okay, we see you there. Dito tayo duman sa loob.
Okay.
Yun o, nandito na sila. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Hindi kasing dami doon ng California sigurado, pero maglalabasan din yung mga two-stroke dito. Mga
At least home court.
Oh, home court. Ayan o, may mga harbor freight, man.
Oh shit.
Ano sila Jordan?
Oh, shit.
Wala sila Jordan. Sabi na dito sila.
Ito si Herb.
Nakita ka? Mga two-stroke
Ito
na
si Steve, oh.
Oo, kay Italjet. Dami dito mga Hawaiiano. Kasi ito talagang laro nila yung mga two-stroke na mga Dio, Elite, ganyan. Kaya lang, ang panira lang, hindi naman panira, pero yung mga maliliit na motor na yan, yung mga super mini bikes, yung mga gawang harbor freight, yan ang medyo hassle. Pero okay lang yan. Sa likod naman tayo. Let's go. Pag medyo gumula yung ride, sibat. Let's go. Alright, so start na ng ride. Strip lang, strip downtown. Balik ng strip ulit sa Las Vegas sign. Pero baka after downtown, sibat na rin kami. So kasama na ulit sila Jordan, yung mga kasama natin sa
Grouping succeeded.
California. What's up? Who's here?
Me.
Okay, kuya.
Vlogs.
Mr. Sarap Vlogs. Medyo madami pero magulo to kasi may mga mini bikes, yung mga pit bikes oh. Kaya magstay lang kami sa likod. Bahala na sila dyan sa buhay nila. Is he connected, Kuya Jody? He's not connected, no?
Yeah, I'm connected.
Oh, okay.
He's connected. Hey, after downtown, if you guys we can head home, my house.
Yeah.
As
Do you have
let's message Kuya JR.
Do you have Coke there?
We can stop by and
Because I know you don't have Coke there.
Wow, a lot of motorcycles. Is that?
Daming two-stroke guys oh. Look at that. Ayan yung mga pit bike oh, yung mga maliliit. Ayan medyo mainit sa police yan eh. Pero let's go. That's it.
Shit. Can we stay in the back?
We stay in the back. Wink. That's not a two-stroke. Wink.
It's a lot of burning oil.
Two-stroke, baby. Ayan, the Las Vegas strip's gonna smell like tutti.
Tutti. This ride is sponsored by Harbor Freight.
No, actually, the Harbor Freight ones are 4 strokes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're bigger.
No, they're not 2 strokes. They're 4 strokes. I'm surprised they're stopping.
They're not Goonies. If that's Goonies, they're not gonna stop.
Steve's bike is a dragster 180, not the 50. Shit is fast.
Two-stroke din yan.
Two-stroke, yeah. But that one is fast. It's like 180 two-stroke. Dio1 Hawaii license plate. Let's get fresh air.
Let's go, we're launching.
Si Steve, oh, Italjet, putang pogi. Oh, and there's an event this weekend too for Volkswagens.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, this one, look at that. Shit's
Looking
fucking,
cool,
no. Shit's fucking clean, man. Lane split yarn.
Go to the left, go to the left.
Yeah.
The popo is blocking it.
Daming tao ah. Shit's busy. Guys made it? One more. Let's go.
Good.
Ooh, it's cooler over here.
Oh, that feels good.
'Cause there's water.
Wili mo nga yan, bro.
We legit, bro. We legit. Run it. Follow us. Run it. We legit. He's behind us. Is this a Suron? That's a Suron, no?
Yeah, the green one, yeah.
Hi guys. Kuya, you good back there? Where you at? Are you behind the cup?
Yeah, too close, man.
Let's go. He slowed down. Let's go. He's trying to watch out for that pickup truck.
Ah, the one with the hazards on.
Hazard zone.
Let's go.
Oh.
Go ahead, Cena. Go, Cena. Go, Cena. Ayan na. Sando Gaming din to eh. Hey, fast as fuck, boy! Somebody bounced already. Oh, they're in the back? I didn't know that.
Whoa.
Stupid.
Whoa. He said, honk.
The traffic is not bad going south. Going back, it's gonna be bad.
Yeah.
Or going north, man. Let's go. Come on, Harbor Freight. Let's go.
Down for the Challenger.
Merging.
Merging. Oh shit, merging.
This guy, when we went to California, the Kimco like, his battery was dead already. So we have to jump it now. Until now, he hasn't changed it yet.
It's the same battery.
It's the same battery, but he bought a jump starter. See this bike? It's a CB300, but he made it look like a Honda Grom. Ah, damn. Looks nice, no? Oh yeah, this one is way cheaper. Yeah.
Like $6,500 all done.
It looks like a Grom, except for the tank. The tank is kind of big, no? The tank is still the same? No?
The 300 tank.
Oh, really?
300 tank. So it's bigger.
Even the gauge is that's a Grom gauge, no?
Yeah, he custom fitted it.
You guys clear?
Yeah. I wonder if they went to, watch out, there's a fast car, okay? On the left. Oh, he's behind you now.
They went straight.
Still behind you.
What? Watch out, you got an Indian behind you, Cleo.
Okay.
Let him pass. It's okay.
Yo! Watch out for this car! One. Watch out! Oh, your phone. We go.
We go.
Here, they're here.
Woo! It's a big bike now. Where that came from? Watch out.
Whoop.
Ito yung naka-jet ski dati, si Jordan, naka-PCX siya today. PCX 160. Porsche, alam ko Porsche.
Dang.
They're like 4. Yeah. Hi, 360. Good. Thanks, Kuya JR.
Man, that shit gave me a headache.
Good. I gotta open my helmet now just so I can get some fresh air.
You guys wanna jump on the freeway or what?
Oh, it's up to you guys.
Okay, let's go.
I'm Gucci.
Okay, let's go freeway then.
I texted Kuya JR.
Okay.
We exit Cheyenne.
Yeah.
Okay.
Freeway gaming na tayo uli. Pauwi na kala Kuya ninyo. Doon tayo tatambay. So hindi na kami pabalik ng Las Vegas Boulevard. Sumasakit na yung mga ulo nila dahil sa amoy ng tuti. Puro tuti kasi. Daming Dio, on the top, Elite. Tapos bukas ng gabi, actually may karera yung mga yan mga karera ng 2-stroke. So tingnan natin kung makasilip tayo bukas ng gabi. So ngayon, nag-decide kami, freeway na kami, pupunta doon kala Kuya ninyo. Doon na kami tatambay. Let's go. Naglalaro nila yung Tesla, guys. Yung driver nandito, yung Tesla yung maandar mag-isa. Pa tayo lumiko? Forward arrow, backward arrow. Yeah, now he's gonna make. Oh damn, puta, nag-U-turn mag-isa, Brad. Kailangan pala may linya kung saan pupunta, no? Guys, tingnan nyo ito, guys. Yung driver, yung driver. Puta nga na. Oh, stop. Sa puta. Oh, may stop nga. Tayo walang tao, Brad. Kung nasa simenteryo ka, tapos makita mo yung umaandar, kasi di mo alam yung Tesla, no? Puta. That's crazy. So you really always have to put on the target, no?
Yeah, I have to put the target.
And then you see a line where he's going. Huh. High pitch. Where are you going? Let him park? Told him to park? Bye. Okay. Kuyang. Live demo of Tesla, guys. Hey, let me watch that.
Watch this one.
Nino, inside. Oh. Oh, matik yan, guys. Matik. Alright, uwi na tayo. Dito tayo nag-Jersey. Malapit lang tayo sa bahay. Pero naka-airbag pa rin tayo. Bye! Time check, 11:28. So sandali lang actually yung ride namin. Dito na kami nagpunta sa bahay ni kanina. Dito kami tumambay. Medyo sumakit din kasi yung ulo nila doon sa amoy ng tuti. Hindi na rin sila sanay din. So dito lang. Hindi na tayo sumama doon pabalik sa Las Vegas sign eh. So pero ngayon uwi na tayo. At least makakapag-upload tayo ulit, which is good. Yung weather pababa na to next week, guys. Bye bye. Ride safe. So pababa na next week, kaya parang mga high 80s na lang. So hopefully more rides to come. Hindi rin kami nakapag-pickleball nitong mga nakarang araw. Busy. Shoutout nga pala sa mga pinsan ko dyan, kay Hendrik at kay Gabi. Good job, boys. Nag-start na silang mag-ride. Yung mga scooter ng tito ko, ginagamit na nila. Parang ngayon, actually ngayon nasa Tagaytay sila, nakarating na sila ng Tagaytay. So ingat lang sa pag-ride. Laging stay alert, be defensive. Alright guys, I'll just end the vlog here. Maraming salamat sa mga bagong subscribers. Welcome to our channel. Kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, pindutin nyo na yung subscribe button. Alright, sa mga dati pa natin subscribers na hindi umaalis, na nag-aantay pa rin ng ating video, maraming salamat sa inyo. Until the next one, guys, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Basta let's go.